How are you?
तो अभी ये 100 साल से ऊपर है। पुराना घर है, उनको प्रिजर्व करके रखना मैं मानता हूँ बहुत ज़रूरी है।
The word is not Nimu Resort, it's not Nimu Hotel, it's not Nimu Guest House, it is Nimu House. So it ends up being home to even people who come to us for 3 days or 4 days.
So yoga, yes. So it's for us. So this is like yoga, Indian yoga system coming together with Tibetan Buddhism. It means a lot for me.
जुले, मेरा नाम नामयल है और अभी मैं नीमो हाउस चला रहा हूँ। ये जो नीमो हाउस है वो मेरे ग्रेट ग्रैंडफादर ने बना था। इसका जो डिज़ाइन है वो बताया जाता है तिब्बत से लिया है। जो ये आर्किटेक्चर है वो तिब्बतन आर्किटेक्चर है, टिपिकल। तो इसको ना बिगिनिंग ऑफ 20th सेंचुरी में बनाया गया था।
So I have been in Ladakh for close to 15 years now. Actually, I didn't come to Ladakh as a tourist. I found myself a job and I decided to move here. And I've been here since I was 23 years old.
तो अभी हमने इसको, पहले तो हम इसी में रहते थे, जॉइंट फैमिली था। फिर बाद में उतना जितना इसमें कमरा था वो उतना यूज़ नहीं होता था, तो हमने सोचा इसको कन्वर्ट करते हैं गेस्ट हाउस में।
I think at the core of it, when it was started, whoever has worked here has imbibed the thought of it being a house. And honestly, it just felt like, and it still feels like home.
हार्डेस्ट पार्ट था जो उस टाइम पे अटैच बाथरूम नहीं होता था, तो मॉडर्न फैसिलिटीज़ के लिए हमने हर रूम में अटैच बाथरूम लगाना था।
All materials used in Nemo House are only things that were naturally sourced from around the area. So there's 3 primary materials, there's stone, there's wood and mud from around. The restoration work also happened such that we were able to maintain most of the thing, very minimal cement was used.
सिर्फ स्टोन और ईंट से बना हुआ है, तो इसमें थोड़ा सा नया बाथरूम बनाना ये सब थोड़ा सा डिफ़िकल्ट था क्योंकि स्ट्रक्चरल डैमेज ना हो और घर का जो आर्किटेक्चर है वो भी इंटेक्ट रहे, तो इसी को माइंड में रख के ये रिस्टोर हुआ।
Yeah, it was a very interesting movement from going from a 100-year-old house into a house which has been turned into a stay for people coming in from the city who expect a certain kind of comfort as well. You can hear your own thoughts. You can hear the wind. You can hear the river in the night. And it's really like the quiet is not just something ki oh shanti hai. Sit and dip your feet in the water. We have a small stream running through the property, and just to be able to sit and chill by the stream. So we go for village walks. We are very heavily into yoga. We are one of the few spaces in Ladakh that has a very nice yoga shala.
The recent thing, what happened was there was a Belgian lady who has never, her friends has practiced yoga and meditation, and she has never. That's something she wanted to, and so she did with me here in this very shala. And when she did, she was like crying literally and wanted to say this is a lifetime experience and transformation.
यहाँ पे ना हम सब जो नेबर्स के बच्चे होते थे, हम लोग यहाँ पे हाइड एंड सीक खेलते थे। उसमें काफ़ी यहाँ पे लामा जी से हेड लामास होते हैं, रिनपोचेस होते हैं, उनका आना जाना होता था यहाँ पे। काफ़ी बार हमारे ग्रैंडफादर इनवाइट करते थे उनको, तो काफ़ी विज़िट होता था रिनपोचेस का यहाँ पे। तो हाँ, मेमोरीज तो काफ़ी है।
We have another lady who is, now she's recovered, but she had cancer, and she's coming back for her 10th year of cancer-free, and she's coming back to stay with us. She has stayed with us in the past, and she's choosing to come and stay with us for 4 or 5 nights.
साथ में आपको साथ में बगीचा मिलेगा, वहाँ पे आपको गार्डन मिलेगा, वेजिटेबल गार्डन मिलेगा।
We have momo making sessions. We can do some cycling around us. Rafting is not so far from us. So yeah, there's plenty to do around here. So I think one of the very important things of rural life anywhere in the whole country, I would say, is to live and let live.
हम लोकल एक्सपीरियंस कराना चाहते हैं, जो आप गांव में बैठ के आपको लोकल एक्सपीरियंस मिलता है मेरे ख्याल से।
गेस्ट जो आता है उससे सबसे ज़्यादा आप क्या चाहते हो जो इंतजार करो? योर एक्सपीरियंस, सर्विस, नेचर, व्हाट इज इट?
Combine of everything.
ओके, खाना, ओके, फूड,
Food.
फूड,
I think the overall experience.
खाना